baskets, buddy. Good job, buddy. Do it again. Good job, buddy. Come over here. This way, this way. Where are you going? This way. Come on in for the basket. Run all the way around. This way, come on. Come in for the basket. Come in for the oh, drop the ball. Gotta get the ball. Get it in the basket. All right. Good job, buddy. Come on, bring it in again. Oh, put it in. Slam. All right. Bring it in again, buddy. Bring it in. Bring it in the hoop. All right. Put it in, buddy. Good job. Put it in. Put it in. Put it in the hoop. Max. Put it in.
Let me see. My turn.
Wait. Get the basketball and put it in the hoop. Put it in the hoop. Put it in the hoop. Come on. Oh, you missed that one. Gotta put it in. Put it in. Good job. You gonna do it again? Put it in. Put it in. Grab the ball. What did Grandpa teach you?
Ball.
What did Grandpa teach you?
Ball.
No. What did Grandpa teach you about? What did Grandpa teach you something about up here?
Rectangle.
What did Grandpa say? What did Grandpa say about the rectangle?
Put in. You gotta put you in.
What did Grandpa? Well, you made it. Good job, buddy. Here, let me straighten it out. Oh, made another one. Careful. Oh, bring it over here, buddy. Shoot it. Make a basket. Good job, buddy. You gotta put it in the basket. You gotta put it higher?
It's up here.
You want put, okay, I'll put it up higher. Hang on.
Spider.
Okay, hang on.
Spider. Spider.
Spider?
Spider. Spider.
Where?
Spider.
Where, buddy?
Spider.
There, it's higher. You meant higher, not spider.
Spider.
Higher, not higher.
Higher.
There you go. Okay. Put it in.
No.
Are you done? Do one more on the higher one. Good job, buddy.
I got put up there.
What, bud?
Put up there higher.
Put it in, buddy. Good job. Put it in.
Go push it.
put it in?
I lost it. I lost the basket.
You put it in?
I can put it.
Put it in.
Ah!
Good job. You did it like Grandpa taught you off the backboard. Put it in. You gonna put it in? This way, this way, this way, this way. Not up there, that's Mommy's decorations. Bring it this way. This way, buddy. Good job.
Now bring baskets for me. I put it up there.
Put it in. Put it in.
Ah!
Good job. Whoa.
Ah!
Grab the ball.
Drop the ball.
Dropped it.
I
Go all the way in. Oh, you put it wrong way. You missed. Go in.
So it's gonna go then.
Go in. Oh. Oh. Go put that ball in the hoop.
I missed it.
Whoa.
I'm doing sideways.
Put it in. Put it in. Good job, buddy.
I think outside.
You're gonna put it in. Put it in one more time. And we'll go outside. Come here. One more time.
Outside.
Put the hoop outside.
Yeah, I want to go outside.
Okay. All right. Hang on. There you go, buddy. All right. Come on. Here you go, bud. Put it in again. Put it in again, buddy. Oh.
Basketball. Come here, Missy.
Put it in again, buddy.
Where's Missy go? Where is he?
Come here, monkey man. Put it in again.
Where is he?
Oh, put it in. Put it in. Good job. You gonna do it again? Put it in. Put it in. All right. You gonna do it again? Get the basketball. Look what you're standing on. Grab it. Over here. Put it not in there. Put it in the hoop. Over here. Oh, that's a tough angle. Tough angle. You gotta shoot it. Shoot it. Good shot. You gonna do it again?
No.
All right.